Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to apply LEN function in Excel. So LEN functions basically counts the number of digits and letters present in a number. So to apply LEN function, we will the formula is equal to LEN and tag text. It asks us for the text which is uh, the word which will be from which we'll be finding number of uh, letters or numbers. So select the text. This is close and enter. So as you can see that it gives us the number of letters in the word hello, which is 5. So now let's see that if it counts letter numbers or letters only. So we have to apply the same formula is equal to LEN. Oops, sorry, is equal to len braces close braces enter. So yes, uh, it counts number of number also. So in the word, so to apply, uh, so we can apply this to all the others by selecting the column. So here we go. So that's it for this guys video. I'll be back with another video soon, and please do subscribe my channel and do comment down below that if you want to see any more videos like this, and please do like and share my video as it motivates me a lot to make more videos like this. Thank you.